Alright, so I'm going to do an example of distribution within balancing equations. This is something that might happen, so I want to make sure you see something like this. Really, it's just like anything though. Anything that's happening, you got to adapt to it, be flexible about it, and use the past things that we've done to make it easier. So the first thing we're going to do is combine like terms if possible. So I can't do anything. I could multiply this 3 in, but first I want to check out this parentheses. Is there anything I can combine in there? Yeah, I've got a couple b's. Can't combine this -8, but 2 minus 6, make that -4b. Keep my -8 the same. Now I've still got my 3, still got my 5. So I combined. Boom. Can I combine anything else? No, so I'm just going to distribute. I'm going to multiply my 3 in, make sure I multiplied both. Most common wrong answer Yikes. Good writing. Most common wrong answer probably looks like -12b minus 8. Why is that wrong though? Yeah, you gotta make sure you multiply into everything. So I don't want that to be -8, I want it to be -24. Haven't done anything to the right still. Now that I've simplified the left, I could start thinking about this as an equation. Before, the 5 didn't even really matter. I had to make sure everything was right first on this left side that had all this junk that I needed to fix. Now that I've kind of fixed it all out, I've got my b kind of by itself, but I want to get rid of this 24 now by doing opposite. So I'm going to do plus 24 to both sides. Remember, that's why I have my line. I don't want to do two 24s over here. I want to do 24 to both. Still have my -12b. Combine my like terms on my right side now, my 5 and 24, 29. And then I've got multiplication here, so I'm going to do the opposite of multiplication and divide by -12 to both sides. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to go in evenly, but that's totally fine. We're not always going to have even number answers. Here I've got one negative sign, I'm just going to write it out in front. And 12 goes into 24 2 times, and 5 remainder. So -2 and 5 over 12 is totally fine. Let's just run it back. First we combined. Then we distributed. And this is only on the left, right? Because we didn't have to do anything on the right. Then we added 24 to both to get rid of that -24. Then we divided by -12, the number in front of the variable, to both sides. And we got this fraction. Whoop-de-dee-doo.